The Chinese Tesla NIO had a spectacular 2020 in terms of stock price performance, but since then, 2021, 22, nobody's really wanted to touch them and the price has come off nearly 2/3. So what's going on there with NIO and where is the stock price heading next? Well, I'm going to have a look at the technical analysis to try and find out. So with that, let's take a look at the numbers. Just an unbelievable 2020 there on the chart, up 4,000%. It's amazing. Everyone wanted a piece of NIO, thinking they're going to be the next huge massive thing, but since then price has come off 2/3 really from the beginning of 2021 and has been heading south ever since, just bouncing at the moment around the sort of $25 area, but that downtrend is still looking pretty strong. So it's an interesting chart, development, stock price development really, on what's been going on there after such a bullish up run. They're still producing the cars and looking like they're moving forward as a manufacturing automotive organization, but investors, traders don't think so, and at the moment the picture is looking very weak. The 4-line break chart is looking for a bearish reversal at the moment in the shorter term. Some numbers for you to possibly get in at: $24.50 and $21 to the downside. And like I say, looking for a bearish entry at the moment. So daily hiking actually in the short term signals at the bottom turning a bit more bullish. Volatility certainly picking up, 108% per annum against its longer term moving average around about 80%. Volume trading just a bit under its longer term moving average. Price, if we head up on to their 2 standard deviation regression bands, that's the light salmony pink and light blue areas, you can see really that it doesn't want to move past that 2 standard deviation move to the downside. Keeps bouncing up from there, similar to from the upside once it's moved those 2 standard deviations and regresses, reverts backwards. At the moment, price is trading under the 2 pink line box breakout area with a current sell signal, and there is some upside to be had within the bands there, but the trend has been slowly ebbing south, and looking at that, it's a sort of the stronger term direction at the moment for the price. So I've used a $1 block size for the NIO Renko chart. All our signals at the moment, well, the 2 shorter term ones are bullish, but we can see the bottom DMI, their modified version, is a bearish trend, so a bit of a mixed bag overall. In terms of price, trend downwards, and we've got a sell signal in place from the breakout of the 2 pink line box area. Target numbers, but if it's to continue this downward move, then really it's quite a significant way down further still. Breaking through the 20 zone, then you're looking at $12, $10 possibly to the upside. Then it's got to really get through that noise around the mid 30s and then trying to push up towards, say, maybe $45, $50. But at the moment trend is weak and bearish, and the downside the more likely bet. In terms of the score then for NIO, I'm going with a bearish overall outlook, and if we head into the top right, we got a 4-line break potential bear entry set up with some numbers for you there: $25, $21. Heikin-Ashi chart a bit more mixed in terms of what's going on there. The Renko shorter term chart definitely more bearish. Trend overall very bearish. We're heading into the targets: upside 1.43 and 2-1, downsides 0.78 and 1-1. But based purely on technicals, I'm going with a bearish score for NIO currently. So from the charts, to me it looks like NIO is petering out in terms of stock price to maybe where it should be in the longer term. Anyway, maybe all that hype from 2020 has eroded as investors and traders actually look at the fundamentals to see what's being delivered in terms of the products and how they're growing globally. At the moment, like I say, looking pretty bearish. It's going to need probably a fundamental shift to get that price moving upwards once more. Let me know in those comments below what you think, where NIO could be heading next. It was a darling of the stock markets just a few years ago. Let me know what you think it needs to do to get back there. If you liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of content I'll be producing. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.